Hi guys. So I think ये देखो अभी शुरू हो गया. I'm getting to that. Suggestions आने लग गए लोगों के. This is going to be a serious talk. This is going to be a serious talk. So I think I should get to it. This is specially for my fans or like Jia ki Janta or. So there are few people who have been nagging me with things. It's just too much now. It's too much. Like, I cannot take it anymore. I do not want your suggestions. It's like, leave me alone. You have a problem with something, leave. You have a problem with what I post on social media, leave. Or ignore. Block me. Or I will make it easier for you guys. If you have a problem and you are giving me suggestions, I will block you. So that टेंशन ही नहीं. अगर तुम लोग को मुश्किल हो रहा है मुझे ब्लॉक करने में, मैं तुमको ब्लॉक कर देती हूँ. और 2 suggestions. Because I am exhausted now. I am exhausted. I really can't take it anymore. And just because we have put ourselves out there, just because I'm an actor or there are people who are influencers, just because they put themselves out there doesn't mean तुम लोग आके अपने suggestions देने लग जाओ, negative comments करने लग जाओ. हम कोई कहीं से सीख कर नहीं आए कि हाँ, like this comes with all this negativity, so we should be used to it. हमें तो affect होना ही नहीं चाहिए, हम तो इंसान हैं ही नहीं. Because seriously, this is getting to me now. और ये बहुत, I think, 2 साल से हो रहा है. It's like no matter what I do, you have a problem. DP change कर दो. ये क्या प्रोफाइल पिक्चर लगाई है, प्रोफाइल पिक्चर चेंज कर दो. ये पोस्ट करो, वो पोस्ट करो, ये क्यों पोस्ट किया है, वो क्यों पोस्ट किया है, ये ऐसे क्यों है, वो वैसे क्यों है. It's very exhausting for me now. अगर तुमको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है या तो इग्नोर करो. अगर तुमको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है ब्लॉक कर दो. सीधा ब्लॉक. देखना ही नहीं है. तुमको किसी ने फोर्स नहीं किया है कि तुमको ये जाके कंटेंट देखना ही है. मत देखो. There's so many other people. जिसका जो अच्छा लग रहा है वो जाके देखो. But it's not necessary for you guys to be here for me, suggest me some things and support me. मैंने force नहीं किया. मुझे मत करो support. मुझे नहीं चाहिए ये कोई hype. ये जो hype है, ये hype मुझे नहीं चाहिए. Because it's really like pissing me off now. I have never done such kind of a life before. I've never come on Instagram like this, been really pissed. Because that is how much it's bothering me now. I am done with this shit. I deleted Twitter account for this because वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा negativity है. And I don't know अगर तुम्हारे कुछ ये जो कुछ fans, I'm talking about these कुछ fans. I'm not talking about everybody. I'm just talking about these few people who are just crossing their limit, and they have become my parents in a way. जब मैं थोड़ा सा क्या मैं ऐसे कुछ देखने आ गई यहाँ पे, या like I'll go through my comments sometimes and I'll see this. या तो the worst is I get tagged on stories and there are these long ass messages, like really long messages I get tagged on. And it's like अपनी टीम चेंज करो, अपनी PR टीम चेंज करो, अपनी मैनेजर चेंज करो, अपनी एजेंसी चेंज करो, सबको चेंज करो, तुम भी चेंज हो जाओ, मर जाओ. I am ignore, like कितना इग्नोर करूँ मैं थक गई हूँ अब. Seriously, it's not like, you know, there comes a point जब हमारा भी saturation level आ जाता है. हम कहीं से सीख के नहीं आए हैं. I'll talk about myself. मैं तुम लोग में से ही एक हूँ. I'm just a girl who wants to become an actor, who is trying to achieve her dreams, who is trying to achieve her goals, live a good life. That's it. कौन हूँ मैं? I'm just a girl. I'm just like one of you guys. I'm not a star kid. I'm not a nepo kid. I'm not. I don't even come from a really wealthy family. I'm just one of you guys. जो इतने सालों से बहुत मेहनत करके यहाँ तक पहुंची है. And I am doing what I feel is right. I am doing. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it doesn't work. If you don't like it, leave. Leave. तुम्हारे घर पे गालियां पड़ रही है, पता नहीं है. देखो, कोई तो यहाँ पे आके गंदा कमेंट करके जा रहा है. तुमको पता नहीं इसको बहुत घर पे गालियां पड़ रही होगी, जिंदगी में कुछ हो नहीं पा रहा है, जिंदगी में कुछ उखाड़ नहीं पा रहा है, तो यहाँ पे आके दूसरों के लाइव में आके कमेंट करके जाना है, उनको गालियां दे के जाना है. वाई? जस्ट लाइक दैट. बिकॉज enough. वी आर ऑल्सो ह्यूमन. हम नहीं जा रहे फेक अकाउंट बना के, एक आइडेंटिटी लेस प्रोफाइल बना के किसी के प्रोफाइल पे जाके गालियां दे रहे, या उनको सजेशन दे रहे कि भाई तुम ये बंद कर दो, भाई ये क्या बकवास है, भाई ये क्या है, वो क्या है. हम नहीं कर रहे. ये देखो, Gaurav_Bhatt15 अपनी माँ का नाम लिख रहा है वहां पे. सो लाइक व्हाट आर दीज पीपल? It's crazy. It's crazy. And you know, the problem is with all this, it's okay. Like I can block them. I can like figure out like मैं block कर दूंगी, मैं बंद restrict कर दूंगी. But what do I do with my fans? They are giving me all these suggestions. They are sending me these long ass messages, which is so irritating. I really can't deal with it anymore. So yeah, I just wanted to let you all know this, that I am done. If I see another long message, something like that in my story, I'm going to block you all. So yeah, the rest, I hope all good. भड़ास निकल गई मेरी पूरी, because I had this going on since a while now, and I even stopped my edited that story thing, like you all nobody can tag me on the stories anymore, so I even stopped that. So yeah, because I've had enough, really. Will help in blocking and reporting. It's like you wouldn't even know, because these guys are posting all these stories, giving me suggestions, telling me that maximum number of people from my fandom have a problem with my PR, with my this and that. What is my PR going to do? What is my PR going to do? You think my PR is going to handle my Instagram? And PR is only useful when there's a project going to come. Like if I have a project, तब PR होता है. Otherwise मैं क्या करूँ PR रख के? It's only like to go to all these events or like get spotted somewhere and all of that. That's it. There's nothing else that my PR is going to do. I am not in some reality show anymore that my PR is going to do something to like hype me. मुझे नहीं चाहिए. मुझे नहीं चाहिए hype. तो रहने दो. Like जैसे जो है normally, naturally जो हो रहा है, organically it'll happen. Don't force it, and don't force it upon me to be somebody I am not. Yeah, it really got me this time. So yeah, हिंदी बोलो जी, और कुछ यहाँ पे यही सजेशंस लेने आती हूँ मैं. ये करो वो करो. Anyway, I think मुझे जो बताना था मैंने बता दिया है. I can even go now. Tushar, Bharmachaya, you keep doing your work and stay focused. Yes, I do that, and I have been doing that since years. But you know, sometimes it's just one of those days when it'll be like it'll get to you, because people are like, कैसे attention नहीं जा रहा है, कैसे नहीं देख रही. I will make sure that I tag her on all the stories, कि इसकी सारी stories भरी हो, and that I'll make sure that she reads my messages. तो लोग ये करते हैं. And yeah, and that's when it just gets to you. It just reminded me when I was a kid, and I, you know, ये एक चीज़ जो मैं हमेशा interviews में बोलती आई हूँ, how I was criticized when I was little by my own family. This feels like going back to that, exactly that. I literally felt like I went back all those years where my family used to criticize me. It was just same thing. It's like, shit, like, what do I do then? What do I do? Like, anything and everything I do, people have a problem. So what do I do? And now I'm just going to do whatever the hell I want to do. You have a problem with it, you're free to go. Like, leave me alone. Okay, that's it. That's all I wanted to say. Wow, this is literally the angriest life ever. First ever angry Instagram live that I've done in my life. In all these years of my career, I've never been this angry. It was the first time in years. But yeah. Art of not giving a fuck. I've been doing that since years, Tushar, trust me. I have not reacted to anyone, or I don't really react like that so easily. But then this time it was just, I couldn't take it. I couldn't sleep last night because yesterday itself I received so many messages, and it's like really stupid. It literally starts from change your Instagram DP. Change your Instagram profile picture. It's that bizarre. So yeah, well, I think I can just peacefully sleep tonight. Now that I have let everyone know what it is. This time you added Sabro on your story. Yes, this is the reason why I added that on my story. Because it's like I have a lot of patience, but I don't think few of my fans do. उनको instant चाहिए सब. अब इसको बॉलीवुड मूवी, अब इसको ये, अब इंस्टेंट फेम. ये ऐसे नहीं चलता भाई. दिस इज, मैं like, who am I? I'm not a nepo kid. I don't have contacts in this industry. I'm just like you. तो जितना टाइम तुमको लगेगा उतना ही टाइम मुझे भी लगेगा. So yeah, Gia Bliss. I know. It's just, I'm only talking about few of them, not everyone. यहाँ पे लोग एक दूसरे को गालियाँ दे रहे कमेंट्स में. क्या है भाई, तुम इतने कैसे फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो लाइफ में? आई डोंट गेट इट. Anyway, yeah, I think I'm live since 10 minutes now, and I've ranted my heart out. Yeah, and of course I'm going to receive messages like, this is not what, you know, you should be doing. बट ठीक है, मैं ऐसी हूँ, प्रॉब्लम है, कट लो। ऑलराइट देन, हो गया मेरा, मैं जा रही हूँ। आज मैं प्यार मोहब्बत के मूड में नहीं हूँ। देयर इज नो लव इन मी टुडे, although there is a little for my people who genuinely wish the who genuinely wish good for me, so that's it. It's only for them. Rest, I don't care. Alright, bye then.